Okay, so let me explain to you the to my business entity, how it's set up so that no one gets confused. So yes, I do have a private practice, weight inclusive dietitian, PC professional corporation, and that is like my main business entity. And that's where I tend to see clients one-on-one, especially insurance based clients. Some pay out of pocket as well. And Real Talk Nutrition is an entity or a subsidiary under Weight Inclusive Dietitian PC. Real Talk Nutrition is specifically for people who have had bariatric procedures or who have used a weight loss medication such as a GLP-1 like Zepbound, Mounjaro, Ozempic, Wegovy, or maybe you took another type of medication or oral medication like phentermine, Ribelsis. So that's what Real Talk Nutrition is about. And it's not really, we do talk about some nutrition topics in Real Talk Nutrition, but the main focus is on the mindset, right? Because usually people who have taken weight loss medications or who have done the bariatric surgery procedure they already know how to lose weight, or they already have lost the weight. So what we're working on is making sure that we keep the weight off, or that we learn while you're still on the weight loss medications or through the process of losing weight while after the bariatric surgery, that you are continuing to work on your mindset and those health behavior habits. You need some like serious accountability, and I'm here to give you that. So that's what that's about. Any other questions, please let me know in the comments below, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.